Hello YouTube, welcome to the Common Investor channel. This is your boy Joseph, coming to you with another portfolio update, trading 212 ISO portfolio update. Just I'll do this before the ISA window kicks in terms of so I think from the 5th of April we can start depositing money back into ISA accounts for those people that have actually maxed out like me. So yeah, just thought I'll have a quick catch up for Q1 and just see how things are doing. Sold quite a few stocks like Tattoo Chef, not because I had any problem with it. Why did I sold it? Because I needed money in this account to reinvest in stuff like bandwidth. But what I did, I then rebought it in my separate private account, which I don't show on YouTube. So I've still got a lot of those stocks. I've got like stocks like Beyond Meat, Unity Software. I've got Tattoo Chef. I've got New Technologies. And one or two more as well in my own private accounts. That's like a long-term hold as well. But for this, the ones I do share, I'll just run through it today. So right now, portfolio is worth about 23 grand, which is not too bad. Essentially, the actual only money I invested in this account is 18 grand. About 18 grand, I think. When was that? Yeah. That's about I think how much I've invested in here. Over time it's basically gone to about 16%. That's probably the highest it's been. Yeah. But yeah, over time I've just kind of been selling stocks and reinvesting, and so far so good. Just steadily going up to 23 grand, which is not too bad from 18 grand. So yeah, hopefully this just keeps on increasing over the years, and want to try and get it to like 100 grand account at some point. So we'll see. I think they say once you get to 100 grand, then that's when your money starts working for you. So we'll see if that's true or not. So yeah, I've kind of taken a different approach. Previously, I did have like 100 stocks, as people that have been watching me for a while know. Now I basically reduced my holdings. What's going on? I basically reduced my holdings a lot to 8 stocks. Yeah, so I just go through one by one. So I got IX1. IX1 is as a SPAC essentially, and I was hoping it was going to merge with TransferWise, and there was rumors it was going to merge with TransferWise, but instead of merging with TransferWise, it's come out that it's going to merge with a company called Kazo, and Kazo is a used car online dealership, which is still a pretty good company. Obviously, I think it's probably it's among the biggest in Europe essentially, and essentially what you're saying is that it's the future of buying cars, right? So they basically, you look at the car online, they have some 360 viewing thing. They do like I don't know, it's a 150 check on the car before it gets released and sent to you, and they deliver it to your front door as well. And they also do patch exchanges as well. And apparently the prices for the patch exchanges are pretty good as well. So yeah, it's one of those ones that. I'm not too thing about used car business. I think it's a low margin business essentially. Um, but yeah, I mean, they can be anything close to Carvana. That'll be pretty good. And obviously, the share price is gonna go up. Obviously, right now it's I don't know what's wrong. Right now it's around $10. Yeah, I don't think it can really go less than $10 to be honest. Arrival Electric car EV company essentially dropped down to about $16, so just had to buy it. Started buying back into Arrival. I'm just gonna build a position in there over time. Bandwidth down 4%. It's similar to Twilio, essentially just been averaging down essentially, and ended up having a good position in there. So it's a company to have for the long term. It's a nice growth company. They've not really been consistent. They've not consistently been profitable, but they have been profitable every now and then. But overall, it's I'd rather have this than have Twilio due to evaluation from a valuation point of view. Biorad, basically I had this for a while. It's not really gone anywhere. It's basically been hanging around the 8. It's been down 8 to like between 5 to 8%. But I think it's consolidating right now, and I think it's a good stock. very undervalued right now. It's got a PE of 4.49. Um, and the earnings are really good for the company as well. So yeah, it's a pretty good company to hold. Nice stable one for the portfolio. And hopefully it just keeps on growing over time. ChargePoint President Biden basically released an announcement last week, which led to the rise of ChargePoint stock going up by like 30%. It's actually just investing a lot of money into different infrastructures, particularly like renewable energy. More goods by playing on Bitcoin, and basically up about 15%. And I'm not expecting that to stay 15%. It's a very volatile stock, but we'll see how that goes. Open Door, pretty much similar to Zillow. Um, and this is one I think is also a good stock. I'm just going to build a stock. Hopefully it keeps dropping. But obviously it's formed a strong base at around like $21. But if it keeps on dropping, I'm definitely going to keep adding. Tesla, Tesla, my Tesla, as they say. Pretty much standard. Nothing too much to say about Tesla. It's I think some news came up recently about deliveries, and it seems to be good news. So that might drive the stock up a bit more. I want to put more into Tesla. I think I'm okay with my holdings for now. So yeah, that's it, guys. So obviously, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can dislike it as well. Give me some comments and all that stuff. Yeah, I think that's it for the video, guys. So thanks for listening, and hope you have a nice evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching it. And take care. Okay, bye.